Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will walk you through local development full stack setup guide for SAP Commerce Cloud 2205 plus Spartacus with OCC and B2C customization. I will be doing everything live on my local machine so that you can follow along step by step. Okay, so this can be broadly categorized into three major steps and eight sub steps. I will quickly walk you through all of the steps and after that we will do the practical. So firstly, we'll install SAP Commerce Cloud 2205. After that, we will create a customized B2C accelerator, and after that, we will create a customized OCC extension. And these are the system requirements. And Java version should be 17 and 17 or above. Okay, step one is download, unzip, and create new recipe. So we will follow this reference link. This download and unzip the following files on these 5 steps. After that, we'll install this recipe cx for spa. After that, we'll create a customized B2C accelerator. Now, if you want to do any customization or if you want to extend out of the functionality of SAP Commerce Cloud, then we have to create a accelerator. So in this tutorial, I will create a B2C customized accelerator using module gen. After that, also we will create a customized OCC extension. So basically, there are two ways to expose our REST endpoints. One is add-on base, and second one is extension base. But add-on base is deprecated, and SAP recommends extension base. So we will do the extension using anti-extension. Basically, we'll create the extension using anti-extension, and there are some syntax or rules for that. The extension name should end with OCC. After that, and clean all and initialize. So while initialization, we have to provide the password for the admin. So by default, there will be no password. We have to provide while initialization, or we can also put it in the properties file. So I have provided it here nimda. After that, configure OAuth client. We'll be inputting this impacts, and after that, test connect this backend to the SAP Commerce to the Spartacus. And there are some properties you can set to reduce the Hybris build and startup time if you are not doing any customization in Smart Edit. Obviously, uh, you can put these properties in project local properties. Yeah. So that's it for this guide, and let's jump to the practical section then. Okay, so first step is download, unzip, and create the new recipe. So for that, let's go to this link, reference link, and follow the steps. So you can download SAP Commerce Cloud 2205 from this link. So this is not a open source software. So you must have a S user ID and a proper access right to download this SAP Commerce Suite 2205. And to download this Spartacus sample data, it's free. You can directly download it from this link. I have already downloaded it here. So firstly, we will unzip this 2205p 25.zip using command this. Okay, so the Commerce Suite unzip is completed. So unzip is completed. Let's go to tree. See, it's 2205. So we got this. So next step is, so you have to copy Spartacus sample data resource installer custom config to this Hybris Suite installer custom config directory. So before this second step, we will do this step. We will make the custom directory in Hybris bin directory. So let's go to this Hybris /bin and create the custom folder in this directory. Hybris bin. Make directory custom. Okay, we got this, and move the entire this Spartacus sample data to this custom folder. So for that, you have to use this command unzip. Go to where this zip files are stored. Okay. So the files are stored here. This command. Okay. This is done. Let's check it whether it is. Spartacus sample data is done. And now you can move this custom.properties file from this to this. Okay, for that you can run command this from anywhere. What it is doing is copy this to config of installer. Okay, so it is copied into CX2005 P25 installer custom config. Okay, this is done, and now we have to go to installer recipe and duplicate the CX folder to CX for SPA. We are in the installer folder. Now we have to, so using this command, go to recipes. Anyway, using this command cp, you make copy of cx to cx for spa. Okay, cx for spa is done, and in this cx for spa folder you have to make some changes in the build.gradle file. We have to uncomment basically this line. Okay, so this is set. Okay, so we have completed this step, first step. Second step is set up the new recipe using the command. Okay, so we have to run this command from installer. So go to installer folder, and from here install it. Okay, installation for 6 files done. Now okay, now the third step is create customized B2C SAP Commerce Accelerator. So before that, what I will do, I will import this project into IntelliJ IDEA. For that, you can install this SAP Commerce Developer Toolset plugin. This is free. Okay, this is next. Go to next and create. Okay, so import is done. Now you can create this B2C Accelerator. So for that, I will refer this reference link. Yeah, this one only. Yeah. So go to, you have to execute this command from platform directory. In platform. And module is accelerator, name is training and package auto provide, and this template is for develop. Enter. Okay, so build is failed. Yeah, so what it is saying, processing extension YB2 the Accelerator storefront. So for this, what we have to do, we have to uncomment. Basically, you have to remove this extension, this YB2 B Accelerator from local.extension XML, and from this our custom folder also it is getting created. So let's do that. So this extension we have to remove. First of all, remove it from this local extension.xml. It is done, and we'll remove from here. This is removed now. Now try this command again. Okay, Now it is successful. Now make these changes. You have to add this extension in local extension.xml. First, second, third, fourth. Enter this file. Okay, so this is done. Next one is remove the following extensions. So we have to remove this local extension.xml file. So basically I have to have 7. And there is one more. Okay, this is done. Okay, that and okay. So this step is done. Second one now is and clean up. So if you refresh this project, see here. Okay, so ID refresh is done. So these you can see the extensions are here. Custom extensions, training, and Spartacus. Now step 4 is create custom OCC extension. So for that you can refer this link. See, we have to use anti-extension. So again from platform directory, go to platform directory and extension and extension. So you have to choose the template here. You have to choose YOCC here, YOCC, and choose name for your extension. So it should be end with OCC. So let's put it training OCC only. And package name, let it be overload training. Okay, so extension is created. Again we have to do the following steps. This step 1, step 2, step 3. You have to add this again in local extension.xml file. Let's add the last. Okay, this is done. If you refresh, it will come here. So let's do and clean all. So if you now, before that, if you observe in this local extension.xml file, so almost 300 extensions here, and it will take a lot of time to build. Comment, you can comment on this if you are not, if you don't require this. Okay, let's do it because it will take a lot of time. Okay, in real-time projects, they are basically keeping the extension which are only required. So they will keep the B2C core extension and the extension which we have generated for customization, but for development let it be. Now we will make and clean up. Do and clean up should take. Okay, build is success. Now before and initialize command, we have to set this initial admin password. So copy this and put Hybris config and local properties. Here, so initial password will be Linda. Here it is, duplicate it is same. Okay, it's already there. So no need to this, you can skip this if it's already there. Now do and initialize. Okay, it will take quite long time because there are a lot of extensions to load and load initial data. So I will pause the video and I will, after initialization is completed, then we will do the next steps. All right. Okay. Initialization is completed now. So now let's start the server. Okay, and now Hybris server here. So let's go to HSC. And type username as admin and password as the password which we have provided while setup or in the local properties. Okay, and also let's try the back office. Now let's import this step 6 configuring OAuth clients. So in HSC I have this administration console impacts import content, validate it and import. Okay, import is successful. Okay, could not execute search. So for this go to facet, so index it. Okay, we have completed step 6 and now step 7 is to connect test. So now connect the Spartacus which we have installed locally in earlier video with this OCC which we have installed locally in this video. So for that we have to open this front end Spartacus in Visual Studio. If you remember, we have given base URL as this Composable Storefront, which is demo storefront provided by SAP. And now we have to provide our local base URL, that is https localhost 9002. Before that, let's start it npm. So right now I am on this. I'm in the I'm in this folder, my store. This is front end, that is Spartacus npm start. Before that, to make sure your node version is okay. Okay, npm start. Okay, let's see our index sync is completed for back office or not. Yeah, it's now completed. So I will not get that error. Okay, now this is started. Open it. So right now it's pointed to this. It is not pointed to localhost. Let's confirm it. See, and let's comment out this now. Refresh, rebuild, front end refresh. Yeah, so now it is hitting our localhost 9002. Let's check product. It's coming. See localhost. Okay, now to access the Swagger UI for this REST endpoints, what we can do, we can go to this extensions, make it and search OCC. Yeah, so if you open this, is REST API and test client customizing commerce web services guidelines. See, you are getting all things here. You can try it out. And there is also one more thing. Is pointing out to how to customize. OCC, skill OCC, REST APIs. Yeah, so let's summarize what we did in this tutorial. So last one is for that, last one is put this in. Okay, next time if you start this, if you start server, then it will take much less time. Okay, so we have completed all the 8 steps. Let's summarize what we did in this tutorial. So firstly, we install SAP Commerce Cloud with Spartacus sample data in local. Then we created a customized B2C Accelerator. Then we created an OCC customized extension. After that, we build and initialize it. Then we configure OAuth client. Then for testing, we started the Spartacus storefront, and we updated this base URL to the local endpoint, REST endpoint. After that, we tested it through our storefront, Spartacus storefront, and we also did the indexing for back office facet, and also we access this Swagger endpoint. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. If you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more SAP Commerce content. If you have any questions or doubt, feel free to drop them in the comment section. I will definitely take a look and reply. Also, the download link for this document will be included in the video description. Thanks. Bye.